Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 297 different strategies, with 91 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 191 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,011 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says TradingView's top trend strategy, the ultimate weapon for trading success. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators I have on screen now. The first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the market bias indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that, add it to the screen, and jump into the settings. And let's bring that back up. Nope, settings. There we go. Alright, so under the period, we're going to change that to 90. The smoothing, we're going to change that to 90. And the oscillator period, we're going to change that to 1. Turn off the show HA candles, and you can make these two selections a little bit more bright, vibrant green and red if you wish. Totally up to you. Everything else stays on the default. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the super trend strategy. It's going to be this one right here, this top selection. Go ahead and click on that. Now keep in mind, because this is a strategy, as soon as you add it to the screen, it will pop up a strategy testing screen that, let's see, turn that on. That'll look like something like this right here at the bottom. Just go ahead and click this tab right here to drop it back down, and we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. So let's go ahead and go into the inputs. And so the ATR period, you're going to change that to 45. The source, you're going to change that to the HLCC4, this one right here. And the ATR multiplier, you're going to change that to 4. Then jump into the style settings and scroll down to the very bottom and turn off all 3 of these selections right here. And everything else should stay on the default, and click OK. Alright, so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when we get a sell signal from the super trend strategy like this right here. We get this sell signal, and when we pick up that sell signal, it's going to be 1 bar into the future. We're then going to look at the market bias, this line right here, the big thick line, and we want that to be red, and we want price action to be trading below that market bias line as well. And when all 3 of those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop right here at the dot that is under the sell tag. That's a super trend dot that will eventually turn into the line. And so you want to put it right there at that dot and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see what we get. And you can see that we make a really nice climb to the downside there, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is going to be the buy tag, like this here, from the super trend strategy. And at the same time we get that buy tag, we want the market bias to be green, and we want price action to be trading above that market bias line, like this here. Now again, this takes place 1 bar into the future. You can see that the bar turns green, so when it's red, that means that the super trend is red. When the bars turn green, that means that the super trend is green. And so again, 1 bar into the future there, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right here at that buy signal dot. And then we are going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, that one takes just a little bit longer, but we eventually stair-step our way up, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades, putting it at a 44% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, if you were risking $400 per losing trade, total drawdown would have been $11,200 for an overall gain of $2,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy by no means, definitely gave you a decent little profit. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 82 trades altogether. We had 64 winning trades and 18 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $38,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $21,600 for an overall gain of $16,800. So definitely better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator signals. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 10 trades altogether. We had 6 winning, 4 losing. A 60% win rate would have been a gain of $160. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, a 100% win rate, a gain of $600. Would have been a gain of $760 for the week, and at the, that's actually a 31 week total now, we would have been up $49,090 over 248 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here, the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.